Alright, so today I got some pieces of equipment for the tank. Well, really one piece. We'll go ahead and open that up. Let's see what came in. Alright, so looks like some decent packaging so far. And it's supposed to be the SunSun. It has a few bad reviews on Amazon, but thought for the price, why not? We'll go ahead and give it a try. And it's going to be going on the 200-gallon tank. And again, this is just going to be supplementary to a refugium that I have down at the bottom. I have some more stuff coming in for that, so more unboxing videos to come. I got it in there tight. Alright. You can see here we have the SunSun Outfitter HW70 Bravo or B. It's easy maintenance. As you can see, it also has a UV light. It's going to go right there. So it has a UV sterilizer built in as well, as you can see on the picture. So the water is going to come in, go past the UV light, go through the filter media, coming back up and back out into the tank. Go ahead and open it up. See how big this actually is. It says it's rated up to 200 gallons an hour. So give further updates, do updates video. That's what anybody'd like to know on how it is. Give another review on it. This is just the unboxing part. So this is probably the filter media that it comes with. I've seen some people say they didn't get filter media. So it's got the hoses right here. It does look like it has an adjustable piece as well. So looks like that'd be the intake. You can adjust to your tank size, which is good. You don't have to worry about as many suction cups having to deal with those. So that's nice there. I believe it did come with a few suction cups. Oop, that is the head. Yes, came with 2 suction cups. A little filter here. Another guard, so now your fish gets sucked up. It's like possibly a hose clamp. And 1 suction cup. So that is the inlet. And the outlet is pretty nice. Comes with a spray bar, so you're able to adjust the flow where you want it to go. Has a lot of suction cups for the spray bar as well. Another hinge right here, so you can screw it onto your tank. I do like how they made it a little bit wider, so it will fit onto the wider tanks. And not just a glass aquarium, so without a ring. So that is nice there. I was kind of concerned on that, so seeing this, I do like it a little bit more with it having that. Looks like the equipment there, hoses, got both hoses, should be 5 foot, I believe is what it said. And for the main product. Again, this isn't endorsed by SunSun. This is just giving an honest review on it and just unpackaging it. And I'll do an update again with the review of the product. Pull out our box over there. This here. Inside 1 piece of tape, so I won't have to do too much fighting with it. Some nice bubble wrap so the product doesn't get damaged. I've seen some viewers on Amazon saying their boxes came in. They look like the equipment's been used, but as far as it's looking to me, looks pretty brand new. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So it's here. See what we got. So again, that's where the light bulb would go. It's down there for your UV sanitation. Got tray 1. It did come with the light bulb. Also came with some filter floss, top pad. Looks like the second media tray is some more filter floss. Third tray, more filter floss, a little bit thicker. So almost like a sponge, but not quite. It'll probably get replaced with a sponge. And another filter floss. So a lot of this filter floss won't be getting used right away. It's most likely going to have some of my media down at the bottom, bio balls. And then the next level will have a sponge filter. The next we'll have a bag of carbon, probably 2 bags for how much water is going to be going through this. And then on the top I'll put the filter floss on the top. That way it gets the water nice and clear. So again, this isn't going to be the main thing that's going to be doing the tank, but it is nice to have a supplementary so that you get the clear water. You also get the benefits of having carbon and not having to set up a whole system with reactors. So I was trying to avoid the reactors, so I did this instead. So again, it's looking like this is going to be a pretty good product for what I need. Alright guys, so thanks for viewing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. If you want any updates on how the filter is doing on the 200 gallon along with the refugium, just leave a comment down in the box. I'll give you updates as it goes. Alright, thank you. Alright, back again with the SunSun 200 gallon. It's a canister filter. Does have a good rep. Not sponsored by them, but going to go over kind of how I set up my canister filters. And here, they're saying you want the filter floss at the bottom, then bio balls, then your cement, and then your activated carbon. I do mine a little bit different. So with mine, top layer, as I stated in the last video, have my filter floss. Next portion, unfortunately I didn't have any of my activated charcoal bags. I did have some of the Aquatech here. There's no fish in it yet, so there shouldn't be any need for a lot of carbon as of right now. Just cut it down to size to get 2 of these to fit in here. There is a little bit of a gap in there. Unfortunately, the water's only going to be hitting a little bit of it. But like I said, don't really need too much of it. Next portion, I take my own sponge filter, cut it down to the size that I need. This actually went to another canister as well, but cut it down to fit into this one. If you're in the hobby long enough, you'll jerry rig some stuff to make it fit. So you can see not much water getting through. Maybe in this little area, that's the water coming down then rising back up. So not too worried there. I did save the pieces that I did cut off of this, so if it is a problem later, I'll just add those pieces into there. I can also use them for something else. Last but not least, I have my cements. Didn't have any extra bio balls or my other canister filter. And with that, I use the Marineland filter rings. They do pretty good. They also do real good if you're doing a copepod as well, and refugium. So those I like to use those in. Didn't have much left. And again, this is just start to culture. They will over time start to break down to either, well, I'd rather have bio balls. You put them in, rinse them, you never really have to buy them again. They last forever. And that's how I set up my canister filter. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more content like this as well. And if you want any updates, please message me so I know that you're liking this content. And with the like and share. And thank you again, guys, and good luck on your reef hobby.